Do you need to go to all your doctor's appointments when bringing a claim for personal injuries? Hi, I'm Tom Friedman. I'm a lawyer in Nevada, and yes, you should go to all your doctor's appointments when bringing a claim for personal injuries. Now, you're saying to me, but wait, Tom, I already got a diagnosis from a doctor. Doctor already said I have whiplash, I have cervical bulges, whatever it is, and I need treatment. Isn't that good enough? No, it's not good enough. You need to go to the doctor for at least a couple of reasons. First of all, you need to keep going to the doctor to establish that you already hurt, that you were really hurt. So you can go to the doctor, you can get this diagnosis, but if you never go back again, what's the other side going to argue? Hey, you know what? If you were really hurt, you would have gone to the doctor. Since you weren't going to the doctor anymore, yeah, the doctor might have said you had a problem, but obviously it didn't bother you enough to even go back. So you should not recover. So it's important to show that you actually were injured, and by showing that, you need to continue going to the doctor to get your treatment to get better. Now, the second reason is to make sure the treatment you're getting is actually going to help. For example, let's say somebody's in a car crash, they have whiplash, they go to a chiropractor, they have low back pain, and after 6 to 8 weeks of chiropractic treatment, the chiropractor says, you know what, I've done the best I can, this patient needs more treatment. Well, if you'd already resolved your case based on the need for a few weeks of chiropractic care, it would be a very small case. So what happens next? Maybe the chiropractor will refer you to a doctor. The doctor refers you to possibly pain management. You might get some epidural injections for thousands and thousands of dollars. Hopefully the problem is solved. So now your case is the chiropractic care and it's also the epidurals. Well, what if there's something majorly wrong? What if you actually need a cervical fusion or some sort of surgery? Well, that's very expensive, and so you'd have the medical bills for the chiropractor, for the pain management, and then you'd have the surgical bills as well. So by not going to your doctor to get treatment, you don't really know what it will take to make you completely better. That's why it is important to continue going back to your doctor even after you have a diagnosis for some injury related to an accident. Now, another argument the other side will use if you don't go to the doctor is they'll say, hey, you know what, you might be in pain, but you failed to mitigate your damages, meaning you failed to do anything about it. And why is it their fault that you didn't do what you needed to do to get better? And anyway, the long and the short of it is this. If you get a diagnosis saying something's wrong and you don't go back to the doctor afterwards, your case value is generally going to be lower than if you do go back to the doctor and follow your doctor's orders. If you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call, drop me an email. Thanks very much for watching.